Shiba Inu's popularity is about to skyrocket once Shytoshi came clean about his identity. In January 2022, Shiba Inu main developer Shytoshi sent a remark to Twitter that sparked rumors of a Shiba Inu holder account. For those who are part of the hashtag Shib community, Shytoshi is dropping hints. An upcoming collaboration? Hey there, I'm Shibarium. It will be hard for me to stay invisible by the end of 2023, according to Shytoshi's vaguely worded message, which indicated a conversation with his mentor. He concluded by stating that the actual enjoyment starts after the secret is disclosed. Shytoshi has gone public with his identification, and the Shiba Inu is poised to have a meteoric rise, as discussed in this video. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Presumably, Shytoshi will come clean about who he is, but people tend to read between the lines when people reveal their identities, as it goes against what they anticipate. Shytoshi hinted to a possible release of Shibarium soon after the new year on Christmas Eve, saying that it would be out soon. In order to take Shiba Inu beyond its meme coin status, Shibarium and Ethereum Layer 2 scaling solution is essential. Included in this is the ability to host metaverse and gaming apps, as well as the introduction of the Shi stablecoin, which is tied to $0.01. Many recent blog entries on the Shiba Inu ecosystem have discussed Shib in the metaverse, more especially on concept art unveilings of different virtual world places. The Shib token has lost 76% so far this year, which is comparable to the downturn experienced by Ethereum and Bitcoin. Anonymized Shiba Inu creator Ryoshi erased all of his online presence on Monday, leading many to wonder what would happen to the project moving forward. Upcoming years. He has been silent on the subject and has not said anything on Twitter. Lead developer Shytoshi shared his opinions in a median comment to Ryoshi's apparent departure from Shiba Inu. Shytoshi said in the post that he was unaware of what had happened to Ryoshi. Nevertheless, in an effort to allay fears, he said that he would be taking over the project and bringing Ryoshi's ambition to fruition. This includes creating Shiba gatherings and, in the long run, a ShibaCon. Over the last day, the Shiba Inu price has dipped 3%, while the corresponding depreciation has been a downward trend on the chart. Meme coin also failed to gain ground last week, falling below key support levels and seeing a market value decline of about 6%. Shib has now established a pattern that suggests the currency might have an upward breakout within the next day. On the daily chart, there are still negative indications in the technical outlook. Throughout much of this month, sellers have maintained pricing control. If Shib wants to continue its upward breakout, buyers will still need to step in. The technical analysis suggests that the coin could have a correction in its chart over the next few trading sessions, followed by an upward movement. Supporting the idea that buyers have been low in the market, the trading volume of Shib fell. Right now, Shib is selling for 90% less than its all-time high, which it achieved about a year ago. At that moment, the price of one Shib was $0.1084. From its support level of $0.982, the Shiba Inu price has risen during the last 7 days. Due to the poor purchasing strength, Shiba Inu is anticipated to surge over the $0.1801 level. The coin's formation of a symmetrical triangular pattern lends credence to the idea that a breakout might trigger a rally. The meme currency is anticipated to break out once it reaches the first local support, which was $0.126. The Shiba Inu price will surge to $0.1240 after the breakthrough, and it will go to $0.1861 when it clears that hurdle. Buyer interest was low since fewer Shiba Inu were exchanged in the previous session. During the months of November and December, Shib was dominated by sellers. Following the most recent decline in price, the relative strength index dropped below the $40 threshold. At the time of publication, the indicator's reading showed that there were more selling than buyers, suggesting a negative market. Furthermore, as a result of insufficient demand, SHIB fell below the $20 simple moving average line, indicating that sellers were pushing the market price upward. The meme currency will surpass the $20 SMA if SHIB stays above $0 and 1,011 cents. The odds of SHIB's value falling on its chart have been bolstered by other technical indications as well. Parabolic SARs show the asset's trend and price direction. With the signal sitting above the price candlesticks, it's clear that the price has been falling steadily. Price momentum and trend reversals are seen by the moving average convergence divergence. The MACD indicator kept showing red histograms, which traders should use as a signal to sell SHIB before its price might go up. The Bitcoin sector was not exactly a shining star in 2023. The price of cryptocurrencies remained low due to a number of factors, one of which being a prolonged bear market. Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies are now selling at a 60% to 90% discount to their all-time highs. This is also true for Shiba Inu, the second biggest meme currency. Who exactly is hiding behind that moniker is currently a mystery. But a Twitter user named ShibBPP just tweeted a screenshot that included some intriguing details. In the screenshot, Kusama is seen posting to Discord about his conversation with his mentor, in which he mentions that they have both agreed that being invisible would become difficult by the year's end. The date of the message was January 21, 2022, and the year 2023 would soon come to an end. He went on to say that the true fun starts when you unite with an industry, disrupt it, and then remain inconspicuous. The world will never know whether Kusama keeps his pledge and comes clean about who he really is. Shiba Inu is quickly becoming a value-based blockchain, despite its reputation as a joke currency at first, but it can't get there until it stops relying on old technologies like Ethereum. Shibarium, the network's Layer 2 blockchain technology, was developed for that reason. Now that Shibarium is live, the majority of SHIB transactions that were previously conducted on Ethereum will now take place on Shibarium. Given that Ethereum's top two complaints are its expensive gas prices and its poor throughput capabilities, this is a huge step forward. These concerns have greatly hindered the expansion of the SHIB network, since Shiba Inu is founded on Ethereum. Ethereum has just moved to the POS network, yet the pace of its transactions has not improved much. The goal of Shibarium is to improve the scalability of Shiba Inu by using Ethereum's security layer as a Layer 2 solution. Aside from lower costs and quicker processing times for transactions, Shibarium provides a number of additional advantages. Having said that, the debut of Shibarium will significantly reduce transaction prices. There will be a disproportionate amount of money spent on burning SHIB tokens. Shibarium will provide a method for burning SHIB tokens based on data provided by the network team. A form of currency. Decreasing the circulating quantity of SHIB is one approach to turning it into a utility token. Burn statistics for SHIB show that since the network's introduction, almost 40% of the token supply has been destroyed, but there is still too much token in circulation, which prevents it from being useful as a utility token. The creators of SHIB are working hard to make Shibarium a highly sought-after platform for the most popular crypto-related discussions. According to the developers, Shibarium has the potential to be an integral part of the metaverse. A new method to engage with the web, proponents of the metaverse say it is the future of the digital world. While no exact release date has been announced, Kusama, who develops SHIB secretly, has said that the introduction of Shibarium is imminent. Kusama has already said that the debut of Shibarium would come shortly. For months now, he has been making the same points. With the introduction of the Shibarium, there will be additional applications for SHIB, which should lead to an increase in its price. Due to the quicker and more cost-effective transaction processing rates, SHIB will have additional use cases. So, once Shibarium is up, the SHIB community anticipates a $0 and 1 cent price for SHIB. The highly anticipated Shiba Eternity game was released last year as part of the testing phase for Shibarium, according to SHIB creators. The anonymous shipbuilder Ryoshi had a vision for a world where bone whale holders had no advantage over one another. But the Shiba Swap DEX prize token was bone, so that vision couldn't come true. Furthermore, as of right now, the data on the network's website indicates that Shibarium's principal utility token will be bone. It is possible to vote on the development of projects using Shib's utility token bone. There can only be 230 million coins in circulation. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.